Hello again everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to promote your server, which is server 2008 as a domain and setting it as a directory. So firstly, we're going to the server 2008. Here is the start, here is the administrative tool, and we are looking for server. Okay, so we are going to rule, we are going to add rows, we are going to next, we are choosing after directory domain. We are going to next, we are going to next, then install. After the completion of the installation, you are going to press close the wizard and launch the Active Directory Domain Services installation wizard. So after you click this, we are going to hit next, and we're going to hit next. Then we are going to create a new domain. So you can choose anything. So I'm going to put domain. Okay, and then we are going to choose Windows Server 2008. Next. Okay, so now you hit next and then hit yes and then yes, and then you're leaving this as is. Hit next, then you're choosing your password. Okay, and hit next and then hit next, and it will create it. Okay, so after the server 2008 was restarted, we are going into our network and sharing center. We are going into manage network connections. We are going into LAN. We are going into the properties. We are going into IPv4, and we are changing the DNS back to 192.168.0.1, and we're clicking OK, and we're clicking OK, and then we are going back to our network and sharing, and you can see everything is correct here. Okay, so now we are going on the client machine, which is the Windows 7, and we are going to the command prompt. We are going to the command prompt, and we are going to ping our server. Which we know from before to be the IP address of 192.168.0.1. And as you can see, 4 packets sent and 4 packets received. Okay, so now we are going to connect our client, which is Windows 7. We are going to connect it to our domain that we created before. So we are going to server 2008. We are going into network. And as you can see, it is 2 different work groups because our server is running on Al-Ameen domain, right? So we are going to try to get Windows 7 into that domain now. So firstly, we are going to our administrative tools, and we are going to Active Directory users and computers.
Okay, so now we are going into Al-Ameen.com. We are going into computers, and we are going to right click and going to go into new computer. So we're going to put the name as the same NetBIOS name as the client, which is Windows 7, and hitting OK. As you can see, it is here. Then we are going to right click, we are going into properties. Okay, so now we are going in delegation, and we are going to choose just trust this computer for delegation and hit apply and hit OK. And now we are going into our client machine, and we are going into our properties. We are going into change settings. We are going to change. We are going to press domain, and we are going to put our website or domain, and mine is Al-Ameen.com. So we are clicking OK, and then they are going to ask the credentials, which is the domain credentials. So it's administrator and the password that you put for it. Okay, and as you can see, there is a pop-up. Click OK and restart. Okay, so now that it has successfully restarted, we are going back into our network and sharing settings to ensure that nothing has changed. Advanced sharing settings, and as you can see, it has changed, so let us change it back. Turn on, turn on. Okay, now let's save changes. Okay, now let's go back on the server. And let us check on network. And as you can see, the both client and server is on the same domain. Thank you.